Next, engagement surveys. So engagement surveys have always been, or at least provider engagement surveys, these long, cumbersome, hey, here, fill this out. We're checking to see what percentage of you fill it out. And you fill out this super long, answer the same question 14 times, set a 40 bazillion questions, and you get to the end and you click submit. And I don't know how it is for you guys, but for me, it always felt like it didn't go anywhere. And then it takes forever for that information to get compiled and summarized and then sent back out to us as leaders. And is it really useful at that point? In fact, this year, when we got the 2023 numbers, which we just received not too long ago, and it's July, it did not separate things out into a usable fashion where I'm really looking at just the data from one group to see if I can come up with action items. So I don't know that that process has ever been really useful for us as providers, especially in the smaller provider groups. It's not like we have an army of people to redact the information and make sure that we're not singling people out. So it's just always been a challenge. So going forward, starting in 2025, you'll get a smaller version of that in the first quarter with fewer questions that will help us sort everybody into buckets where we can send out then quarterly, very short engagement surveys that then we can get the information back more quickly and come up with things that we can actually do with the information in a more meaningful way. So we're trying to switch over to a system that will provide more value and get something out of the time you put into it. So watch for that in 2025. I'm still going to take the data that we got from the 2023 version and see what we can do with it. See if we can find some common denominators, or at least bring the information to all of you and discuss it so that we can decide if we want to do anything with it. So that's engagement surveys. If you have any other questions about that, just give me a holler.